In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 Guaranteed Stop Loss. This feature is designed to cap your risk by ensuring your position closes at the exact price you choose, even if the market gaps during fast moves. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to turn it on, and what to look out for so you use it confidently. First, log in to Plus500 on the web platform or the mobile app. Make sure your connection is stable and that you're in the correct mode, whether that's real money or demo, so the settings you choose behave as you expect. Next, pick the asset you want to trade. You can search for a specific instrument or browse categories like indices, forex, shares, or commodities. Keep in mind, not every instrument supports a guaranteed stop. That's normal. Availability depends on the market and the asset. If the option isn't supported for your selection, you simply won't see it later in the ticket. Now click Buy or Sell to open the Trade Setup panel. This just opens the order ticket. You're not placing the trade yet. You'll see all your key controls in one place, including the Risk Management section. Look for the Close at Loss area, and within that, check for the Guaranteed Stop checkbox, often labeled GS. If you see it, the instrument supports this protection right now. If you don't, the feature isn't available for that asset or at that moment. Tick the Guaranteed Stop checkbox to enable it. Then enter the exact price where you want your position guaranteed to close. This sets a hard cap on your loss. If the market jumps past your level, the platform still executes the closure at your chosen price. Be aware, platforms typically enforce a minimum distance from the current market price for a guaranteed stop, and you may not be able to set it too close. When you enable the guaranteed stop, you'll see an extra spread or fee displayed. This is the cost of the guarantee. Review it carefully so you understand how it affects your trade's break-even point and overall risk-reward. Finally, review all the trade details, direction, instrument, and your guaranteed stop level, and click Confirm or Place Trade. Once it's placed, the position will show that the guarantee is active. Because adjustments to a guaranteed stop can be limited, double-check your stop level before confirming. That's it. With these steps, you can add an extra layer of protection to your trades, helping you manage risk during volatile market conditions. Trade responsibly and use the guarantee where it adds clear value to your strategy.